Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 6a. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and as you can see right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can change lock screen preferences like privacy, add text on lock screen, show wallet, enable or disable show device controls, double line clock, always show time and info, and wake screen for notifications. Now you can enable or disable identify songs playing nearby, tap to check phone, and lift to check phone. And that's it. Now let's go to screen timeout, where you can change between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, and also you can enable or disable screen attention. Then you can change font size, display size, enable or disable night light, change colors, enable or disable auto rotate screen, increase touch sensitivity, and set screensaver. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.